Last time on Pokemon MMO.
Gendry.
The
Okay.
pain. Back. We were talking about Dragon Ball Z, Goku and Superman
No,
fighting.
you said Dragon Ball Z and I said Game of Thrones. Well, actually, Skilder said Game of Thrones.
And then I
Yeah,
said
I
Goku.
said Game of Thrones.
Get over here, guys. We now must battle for
Run
real.
about Skilder.
When
Too bad. Battle.
Mom.
Monster X me.
Don't you dare call me your mother.
Well, you are a girl, though, in this game.
Yeah, that's true.
No, I just look like a
Oh no, it's a trap.
No, you have a female.
It's a twelve! So are all these Pokemon.
Some of them,
Yeah,
yes.
that's-
Except when they're actually female.
Intimidate.
Crap.
Right to the attack, bro. Bull crap. It's not intimidating. She's cute.
She's a beautiful lady.
You're an ugly lady. No. Not Dragon Rage! Oh!
Oh no,
Oh,
Yes!
my Achilles heel.
Yes! God, what hurts you? Electricity hurts you. And poison.
who is
Do you have any poison types?
Sanagi ever
Electric
first?
lady. Yes, I do. I got lots of poison.
Switching out.
Okay, first, we'll use some sleep powder.
Wait, what?
No!
Gyarados is water flying?
Why are you telling him this? It's helping him out.
What?
Wait, grass is weak against flying?
No, wait, what?
Skilder, don't
Yes.
help out, please. Please.
Yeah, but I just noticed that Gyarados is water flying.
You didn't know that?
No, I thought he was only
Gyarados
water.
flies?
I thought he was only water. I don't know how he flies.
How does Gyarados
I don't
fly?
I
know.
don't know.
He doesn't.
That's why.
Sense not being
That's why.
made.
That's why I'm asking.
Maybe he can hover.
He has a hover, invisible hover ball.
I guess that makes sense why he can fight out of ground. I
Wake up, Ahi, please.
don't know. Go to sleep, stay asleep.
No, Ahi.
Let me
Ahi.
beat the crap out of
Ahi, no.
you.
No, it's Zuhi.
Stay right
because
there.
he's sleeping.
No! I wanted to throw a rock at him!
Too late.
No, Zuhi.
No! Well, how dare you! You knocked him out! God dang you! God dang you all to heck!
Dang it, I missed.
But guess what I can't? Guess what I probably won't miss?
I'm calling
Go
hacks.
to sleep!
No,
Go to
wake up,
sleep.
please. Ahi, I need you right now.
Get up, go to sleep right now. I slap you in the face!
What? Your confusion? Your mind powers?
Maybe. No! Why did you wake up? You son of a
I
biscuit!
didn't do anything. That's it.
I said go to
I'm
sleep!
gonna
That's
sap your
it.
energy.
No! No!
No.
Not leech seed!
Not
You
poop.
son of a biscuit! Why on earth would you use leech seed? You a-hole! Why?
Wow.
Why did you use leaf seed?
I need HP. That's why I used it. You can't paralyze me when I'm already asleep, Fox.
Gosh dang! I thought I could like add on to it. Well, there goes that.
No.
Well, there goes that.
Susano.
I think you forgot that I'm grass type, Fox.
I know what I'm not doing.
Alright then.
Okay.
Evan, do not.
Guys says, speed.
I was already slow.
And that's for Ivysaur. Slap this load. Got
No!
bitten.
Why? I thought I could win against nature.
No.
You were just
You
watering the
aren't
garden.
Ash. You aren't Ash who used the thunder attack on a ground type and defeated it.
I know I can beat nature. It's in my nature to beat nature.
Not if you're water type. You're pretty much just watering my garden.
Uh-huh.
You can do it, Meow. Use your cuteness.
Wow.
Why,
In
Meow?
one shot.
You heartless son of a...
Well, you have under level Pokemons, I guess.
Yeah, Fox, you may want to grind a bit.
Or maybe put some in the PC.
So you don't have so many to train at once.
Yeah. We don't have even the XP share.
Aha, Fujin attacks him with quick attack.
And it's paralyzed.
Paralyzed? Wow, that's great.
No. Free electricity.
I win!
Guys, quickly fight me before you heal.
No way.
No. Oh,
Here, I'll fight you next.
okay, he has Mewtwo now for like 10 minutes, I guess. Okay, I'm fighting
Guys,
Fox,
defeat
never
Fox
mind.
and obtain Mewtwo.
No, I'm fighting Fox, no. Okay.
The fuck is that?
Central.
Oh, what?
I mean, Sand
Oh,
Slash.
Sand Slash.
Did you have stockings
Yep.
on?
What?
It's sex.
Yeah.
What's strong against a normal type?
Sand Slash is ground type.
What's strong against
I'm
ground
not
type?
telling you.
You're a jerk.
Water, I think.
Yeah, it's water.
I'm pretty sure it's flying.
I know I used Magneto, goddammit. That's not what I wanted.
Whee!
No, not the gas.
I didn't do the dang thing!
Okay, forget about it. This isn't gonna be good. Oh.
Yeah!
I'm gonna use it.
I peck you in the face.
No, not my eyes. Wait, what?
Yay!
I think Rollout has an 80% accuracy chance.
Well, still it
What?
was used. No, it's 90%.
And how does it keep missing? 90.
I don't know.
What's the only
Again?
misses? Calling hacks, Fox, you're cheating.
Yeah.
Oh no, I know why. Because I have the one thing that's strong against ground types. Flying.
That's not strong against it. They're weak against it, Fox.
Well, all his attacks are ground types, and those are not hitting me because I'm
Rollout
in
is
the
rock
air.
type. Rock is the flying is weak against rock type, Fox.
Yeah, that's why I used it.
Whatever.
Why
He's missing.
can
I'm winning.
God damn it.
Fox is cheating.
You can do it, Fujin! I believe in you!
Hey, why didn't it send Slash no Slash yet?
No!
I don't know.
Why, Fujin?
Unless it does learn Slash until later.
No, maybe.
Ah! No.
I'm gonna have to
sleep.
sense, but...
And gotta remember,
Oh,
it's going by
Sand
Gen
Slash.
3 moveset. Skilder.
At level 28,
God!
he learns it at level 28.
I am calling bullshit.
Why even call him bullcrap? He kept missing against you.
No,
Spoiler, by the way, it's by Gen 3 things.
I don't know.
I think Sand Slash and Slash at 24. So I'm on Bolt Peter right now, and I'm on the Gen 3 moveset for Sand Slash. Learn Slash 24.
You can do slash 24/7.
No, at level 24, Fox. Not 24/7.
No! He's not open 24/7. Oh, shit. Come on out! Master of rock and fight!
God damn it.
Come forth!
But it's not
You!
ground type, I think.
Yeah, it doesn't
Okay.
affect it.
I summon you forth from the ground up. I call you forth. Magnitude.
Oh fuck.
It's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
If Fox wins, I would be surprised.
Yeah.
Magnitude. Son of a bitch.
Oh, God
Fox
damn it.
won.
Yes! Yes!
You
Yes!
defeated your Azuri Flame. But Geodude.
But it was bullshit at the beginning when I used the roll out and
Yeah,
it
you kept
didn't hit
missing
like
it.
4 times.
You kept missing like 5 times in a row. How's it possible?
Yeah, I don't know.
This game is cheating.
Yeah. No. If it's not gonna hit this time, then I don't know.
Finally!
Yay, 5th attempt. Oh, it's gonna...
Hopefully it misses again.
Yes.
Son of a bitch! Son of a
I
bitch!
can't really choose any other attack for another 3 rounds. Maybe it's gonna one-shot everyone, I wouldn't mind that.
Just know it's water type. And then Sand Flash is dead.
Yeah.
Yes! Thunderblade!
Fox, you may want to switch out since water's super effective is weak against electric.
Cat.
Come on, you can do it, Jim!
I think Fox won.
I believe in you! I believe!
Use magnitude.
Do you believe in love? Love after love?
I think Fox won.
Do you believe?
My critical hit super effective.
Come on! Yes!
GG.
I won! Yes! I finally won one of these epic battles! I mean, I always win them, but
Okay,
yes,
now me and
yes,
guys.
that. Yes!
Wait, where is Fox?
Oh, Lord.
I went to heal Pokemon
Oh, okay.
after Raffle stomping you.
Yeah. It was bullshit. It has 90% accuracy and it missed 4 times in a row.
Yeah, I
gotta
gotta admit that.
The living schnick out of
I gotta
you.
admit that. It was kind of bullshit, Fox. You kept missing 4 times in a row. It's impossible.
I don't give a. Fujin is just that good. I am sorry. All my Pokemon are just amazing. They are all on par with godlike Pokemon.
You say so.
If they had Super Saiyan God mode, that is what they would have right now.
You serious right now?
Yeah, I'm watching you guys.
Reach
Right
now.
now.
Bad choice.
Super Saiyan
I have a
Mega
grass type.
Evolution God mode! You guys aren't doing anything. Dude,
I'm waiting for Soldier to pick.
He used sleep powder. Sand Slash, you're asleep. Come back.
I'm gonna 30 HP, by the way. Thanks.
It's okay.
Why are you throwing poo at his bird?
So I can still his HP.
Shouldn't it be
Poo
the
absorbs
other way
HP, who
around?
knew?
Possibly.
Do you believe in love after love? That's enough, Pidgeotto. Return.
That's Whiff, by the way.
Pidgeotto?
No, Whiff. Whiff.
Where can I find a fire type?
I think on a town on the way to the 4th gym, which is grass type. You may lose Sand Flash to my free electricity. No,
Yes.
dead.
Please kill him. Yes.
Dang it, now all we have.
Guys, how dare you?
I mean liability.
Liability.
You guys can.
Sandstorm's attack fell. What level does a Magikarp level up to a Gyarados?
20. Yeah, 20.
I'm wondering if I can use it if I use my old rod and catch a Magikarp and like do the whole training thing but fighting the boss, if like it'll shoot him up to 20 real quick.
Wow.
Wow, that was quick. That was quick. What was that? Electricity stronger than water?
We have the move, not the Pokemon.
Azure Flame! But it's red! Who knows?
Yeah, isn't Azure blue? Or it's
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Loki, I was paralyzed.
No
Yes.
liability! You killed my Pokemon! Well, knock him out. Go, he? Question mark? Well,
Oh, that wasn't so
Burn,
effective
baby,
as I
burn.
thought.
It really wasn't.
Yeah.
it wasn't. I love it when it says super effective! That only knocks down 3 points.
Yeah.
Dang it, I can't miss.
No, god damn it. I think you missed again.
He's so fast, he's asleep.
Oh, never mind. Come on, early.
Man, I was expecting sleep.
No.
Kill them all!
What?
Abracaflorda! Doesn't that like just teleport? Or does he actually have
He doesn't have any moves. I only caught him for teleport.
Then what was the point of taking him out?
Because he was in my party.
Oh, so you're just using it as a cushion?
Oh no, I just had him in there to get me to prove my finish quickly. I only have Oddish for cut.
Why isn't it? I don't know. It says super effective and deals like almost not so much damage.
Because Gus sucks. He only has 40 base power.
You do not have my permission to die! Kill him! Kill them all!
Missing Leech Seed.
Yes.
Water.
Come on. What?
Oh well, guys might
What?
lose this time.
Really?
Finally.
How is that super effective? It deals like 5 HP.
Least effective is 0.5 HP.
I might win this.
Not very effective. Half-life gone. Half-life 3 not confirmed. Possibly confirmed.
I won. Yay.
Wow! Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go grind. Or run to the next base. You can't catch me! Ha, ha, ha,
Yeah,
I don't even know where to go.
ha.
Yeah, me neither, but I'm going
To the
Follow
right!
me.
I don't know.
Where are you?
Yeah.
I still
I'm
have
near the
person PC
town
over
gate.
there.
Skeletor, meet me there.
I'm right here.
Hey
I'm
guys,
here.
follow me.
I'm right here. What's back down that way?
We gotta use cut.
I have.
I mean to get past the tree near the Celadon City. Not Celadon City, whatever it's called.
Oh lord. Yeah. Are you lagging?
I'm not.
I'm so far behind.
Use your bike and shoulder.
I can't. I'm in the tunnel.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can use your bike in there.
What? God damn it. I thought you can't.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
How dare you!
So where are you now?
Right here.
We went up and then stopped by the tree. And Fox went ahead like an idiot.
Come on, if I can use that.
What? There's a chick right here. I'm fighting little mini Luigi again.
Build her up here.
You have been disconnected from the game server.
Oh wow.
Yay!
Then why are you cheering?
Guys have been.
It's not a good thing.
Yay, I got disconnected. Yay!
Yay!
Well, basically,
Ow!
Skeletor go up from where you were at until you reach a tree that's cut.
What is Oddish?
Do you mean the
Plant
tree
type?
to get into the city or
No, it's like
another
a
tree?
tree
No,
past that
what
tree.
the fuck?
Okay. I'm now by the first tree.
Go to the right, go up, and then go to the right again. We're still on channel 4, by the way, Builder.
Yeah, okay. Change
Okay,
channel.
switch to Susan
I think
again.
we can catch a Voltorb here.
I totally don't know where you are.
Told you go up, to the right, up again, right again, to another tree to climb.
What's strong against an Oddish? Is Oddish rock type or is that a plant type?
Plant.
What makes you think it was
Okay.
rock type? It's not made of rock.
Well, there's that one, what is that Trico thing where it's like, not Trico, it's that one thing that looks like a tree, but it's not a tree, it's a rock type.
Tudo. Its
Yeah, that
name
thing,
means
yeah.
fake tree, Fox.
I don't know that, I'm not looking up what Pokemon's names mean. Next man told me Pikachu means rat, electrical rat in Japan.
It might, I don't know.
See, no one knows! Pokemon are a mystery. Do you know Pokemon are actually people
No,
that have evolved beyond their human limitations?
nope.
Only Abra, I think. No,
I mean,
not
that's like
Abra,
a
the...
I mean, that's a
Evolution.
Pokemon theory.
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
Well, there have been people who have been seen to have powers similar to Pokemon,
Yeah, the psychic guys.
like that chick from that one episode where he turned Ash and his friends into dolls.
Yeah, that was
And then
really
there's the
scary.
guy who, owned the Lucario, who he could use Aura Sphere too.
Because they're magicians and psychics, Fox.
Exactly. What the heck are Abra and Lucario? Magicians and psychics.
Lucario is a street fighter.
Yeah. He's
Yeah, but
Ryu.
you can use Aura
He's Ryu. He has Hadouken.
He does, it's Aura Sphere.
Yeah.
My orb. I got
Next time I
TM40,
get a
whatever that
Lucario, I'm
is.
gonna name it Ryu.
Lucario, I'm gonna name him Luke like I always do, and he's gonna kick the crap out of everybody.
Not me.
Yep, definitely you.
What's the TM40?
Mochop is a fighting type, so flying types are strong against him, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna use this, definitely.
Use flight! It is very effective! Mochop uses revenge. Ow!
Basically, a move that gets double power if you get hit. Its base power is 60, so double that is 120. Very, very powerful.
Water Pulse! Oh, now he's dead. Congratulations, you killed your Pokemon. Whoopsie freaking do.
Magnitude, one shot, Machop.
Super effective! Now you are dead.
Oh, he has an Onyx.
Dr. Jeremy, keep it going. Blah, 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 Pokemon, blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 lots of money.
Okay, never mind.
I need a Poke Setter.
Wait, you're already almost fainted, I guess.
Yeah.
I still have all
Who's
my...
that? Who's that walking there with those good-looking Pokemon? You're checking out my Pokemon, you sicko?
Well, they are kind of
Pokemon
female,
waifus.
Fox, so it's kind of normal.
I guess.
Unless you're in a relationship, in which case you should be jealous and mad.
We are in a trainer Pokemon type of relationship. Ah!
Then in which case you have no reason to be jealous, Fox.
Water Pulse!
I think I need to heal.
Oh, that guy's a
my
fire type. I just noticed
Bucky.
that.
No.
Bye, Charmander. You're gonna die.
Guys,
up?
my sense slash just now wants to learn slash
Finally.
at level 28. So I was right.
That's weird.
Yeah. Maybe they have it like differently.
Water Pulse!
I don't know what
I only
show
know
dice which
A
is
it's
it.
because of the Gen 3 moveset, because the moves that my Pokemon learn normally in Gen 3 are the moves that I'm learning now in this game.
Wait, is the next team? No, the next one's grass. Yeah. I need to find. There's fire types on the way here, there, right?
Yeah,
So,
you can catch a
if I find
Vulpix
some-
and a Growlithe.
Vulpix is
know what?
definitely gonna be for you. It's like 9 tails.
Yeah, but Vulpix is right. That's the fire one I want. I wanted Vulpix. Oh wow, Beedrill looks awesome. Not the bee! Drill. Yeah, but Beedrill actually looks pretty awesome. I'm looking at the sprite for her. She actually looks pretty cool.
Kind of mad that Gyarados isn't learning water moves yet, even though it's water and flying.
Yeah.
Because you don't know how to train your Pokemon.
God damn it, I can't pronounce it right now.
Just say liability.
What?
Liability.
Oh
that's why
yeah,
Gyarados.
liability, yeah. It was like, wait, who's that? And I remember that is your nickname for him, I guess. Yeah.
Go, Geodude! He's a Geode and a dude. Wait, does that mean if you crack him open, crystals will fly out?
I don't think so. Just be rock. Probably.
Dude, that's what a Geode is.
That is true.
How do you poison a rock?
You don't.
Well, he did.
Pokemon logic, by the way.
Yeah, I know steel can't be affected by poison.
Yeah, it's immune to it.
Ow.
Yeah,
I want to know why rock isn't.
maybe because it doesn't have. It isn't
Butterfly
hard to
versus
steal.
bee. Who will win?
Yes, but logically speaking, that would make sense why rock wouldn't be effective against poison, since rock is solid, like steel.
Yeah. Well, it's like a living organism, I guess. I don't know.
Alright, switch to Susan. Fuck, I might lose this.
How far are you guys? I'm still battling trainers on the way there.
If you are on the. If you're fighting.
No!
I guess. I think I you lost a
Waterfalls.
little bit.
At the end of the route, you guys are gonna make it to a cave. I think you can find Cubone there.
Boom. Yeah, that's the.
Ooh, Susan's level 29. Ah, no, she died!
Wow, so much XP.
Oh, great, another freaking Beedrill.
Yeah. I guess there's nothing on the left. Ever did you say Fox can catch the Vulpix?
On the way to the fourth gym,
Carry on my wayward son.
just past Lavender Town.
Oh, okay. The Spooky Town.
Yeah, actually, we won't be able to actually explore it until we get the Self Skull.
Why don't you cry no more?
Go was
Carry on, you will always
Fox, were you watching Supernatural?
No. But Journey is a freaking awesome group band. Oh, that is one of my favorite shows, too. Actually, I got the watch right here. I'm showing it to the camera. I have the pocket
I
watch.
still have to watch a few seasons before I'm caught up to the show.
Carry on, you will always remember.
Yeah, I started watching Steven Universe.
Yeah, awesome show.
Yeah. Something like.
No! You son of a biscuit! Color flopper! No, I forgot to put antidote! No, I died!
I don't know why you cheering. It's not a good thing.